Hey everyone, it's Carol. Today we're going to try two products. We're going to try this one I showed you a while back. It's a plumping primer, and we're going to try this Maybelline Age Rewind Perfector, which is a primer, highlighter, concealer, and BB cream. Not a foundation, but we'll see. I also got this adorable face soap. Now I was googling foaming face wash. I like foaming and gentle, foaming gentle face wash, and came up with a bunch, and this is what I've been using. I just went through two of these. These are great, gentle, feel good on your skin. That's Neutrogena. And then I saw this packaging. It's, I don't know, plastic? It says, it's by Grace and Stella. It says, there's a foam party on my face and you're invited. It's very cute. It's fragrance free. Yes, fragrance and sulfate free. So it has no smell, but look at this lather. I mean, that was no water. That is just the soap. It's very gentle. It's very cute. I just love the packaging, and I'm very happy with the soap. So I'll put a link down below for that. I got it on Amazon. And massage one pump to wet face and rinse off. It's cruelty free. It's sulfate free, everything you want in a wash, and it's just so cute to keep on the counter, don't you think? So okay, we're going to try this foundation on today, we're going to try this primer on, and we're going to get this look, but I'm going to show you the application right now. First I'm going to put on Plump Right Back. It's with electrolytes. It's a primer, and I really don't do primers, but this is just so moisturizing. I love it. So I have on eye makeup and eyebrows and skincare, moisturizer, sunscreen, primer, all that stuff. And now we're going to try the Perfector by Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. Now, this one is too dark. This one, I don't know. But you can take the sponge off. You could take the sponge off, but I'm going to push it through right now. And let's try it. I don't know if it's good or not. It doesn't say foundation. It says a primer, corrector, highlighter, and BB cream. So let's try. I just put it all over. That kind of looks like the right color. I don't know what kind of coverage it's going to have. We'll use my Brushworks pink brush. I don't know. I don't think it's a foundation. It's very sheer. It's very sheer. I love the Age Rewind concealer, but they never seem to get the foundation right as good as the concealer is. This concealer is great. It's easy. I like the sponge tip. I know a lot of people don't, but you could always take it off. This one is the neutralizer. All right, let's see. I'm going to put my little selfie powder just to dry it up. It's very, very dewy. Very dewy. And then, if you haven't bought this, this is an amazing bronzer, contour, and blush. You've got a warm blush, a cool blush, you've got a nice neutral bronzer, and you've got a neutral powder right there. It's like a blush almost. And what I do is I put my thumb over the color that I don't want to use. Like maybe I don't want the cool, so I just go over the warm part. So I just put my thumb over it. This is like a real quick way to bronze your face. I have a new lippy by NYX Suede, and it's called Dainty Days. It's very cute. I have it in orange also, and this is like really a nude. Oh, let me show you. And then I'm going to put this one by Fenty Beauty. I love these lipsticks. This one as a liner. I have these two new lip glosses. They are so cool. This is e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is L'Oreal Galaxy Holographic Lumiere Lip Gloss. I love these. I'm going to try this one. I just put it on the top, and then all right, this one is yeah, that's the color. It's like a yellowish gold. That one had my lipstick on it. That's the e.l.f. And then this is the Revlon. No, the L'Oreal. Alright, that's got my, I think. No, see, it's a little pinky. Pinky peachy. Let me see what else. Woo, hot. Alright. What is the verdict? Where's my fan? I will be announcing the winner to the giveaway that I had, I think, 2 videos ago. And I do want to apologize for I think 3 videos ago, I didn't get a chance to reply to your comments, but I read them. Believe me, I read them. I read them all the time. because I have the nicest people that comment, and it just lifts my spirits. I hope my videos lift your spirits, because your comments lift mine. Okay. It's very hot here. Oh, look. Oh, wait, I'm not done. I'm not done. Now, I have this Make It Last Dewy by Milani, but I don't think I need it right now because I'm so sweaty. This is a blur stick by Maybelline, and this is in light medium. You can't even see it there. But say I wanted to blur something, I could go right over my makeup. And then my my Brow Precise Perfecting Highlighter. And you see how I just get rid of that smile line. I could get a filler if I want, but I don't want to spend the money. Two new brow pencils that I absolutely love. This is Maybelline in Blonde. It's called Express Brow. It's a micro tip, and I have it in blonde, and that's all I have on right now. So that might be the color for you. The other one my granddaughter gave me, it's NYX Micro Brow in Taupe. And they both have spoolies on the other side. Okay, so this is a little deeper. The Taupe's a little deeper. So that's why I got the blonde in the Maybelline, just to try it out. And I thought maybe the blonde would be good. And I love it. I don't know how it's showing up on camera today. It might not be sufficient, but it's very good. What else do I need? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, this is the third gloss I want to show you. Look at this one. This is Revlon this is Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss. And oh, that's pretty. And these are under the category of long lasting. And that's the only kind of glosses I like to buy. Now that's a good one. So you've got Revlon The Gloss, you've got L'Oreal Galaxy Lumiere, and you've got e.l.f. The Plumping Gloss. Alright, so these are the two master blur sticks, and one is just the color of my complexion, and the other one is for contour. And let me tell you, this contour is just so soft and hardly detectable, but it's there, and sometimes that's all you want. You just want something soft that you don't have to work too hard to blur it out. I'll put a link down below for these. Oh, they're amazing. Oh, they're amazing. And this is great. This really is good. I like it. It goes on beautiful, and it's blurring. So it's a bronzer that's blurring. It's a contour that's blurring. You could use it for either one. You could use it for a blush. So, okay, I don't think I need this today, but I'm going to put it on anyway. Here we go. Is it hot by you? Ooh, it's hot here in California. Wow. Okay, so now I made it very, very dewy. Very dewy. Just let that settle. And thanks so much for watching. I'm so glad you're here today. Remember, I'm here for you, and thank you for being here for me. Love you all. And I'm going to show you some lip glosses. So let's dig in right now. Roll them. Okay, so let's begin.